Hello students, today I would like to tell you something about colloids. What are colloids? Children, colloids are heterogeneous system in which one substance is dispersed into another substance. One is referred to as dispersed phase and other is referred to as dispersion medium. I can classify 8 important colloidal systems. And some of the important ones I have taken out for you. These are solid sol, where the dispersed phase is solid and the dispersion medium is solid. Sol, it is solid and liquid. Aerosol, it's solid and gas. Gel, it is liquid and solid. Emulsion, both are liquids. In this part, also I would like to tell you about 2 types of aerosols. One is called aquasol, other is called alkasol. In aquasol or hydrosol, the dispersion medium is water, while in alkasol, the dispersion medium is alcohol. The second type of classification is based on the nature of interaction between the dispersed phase and the dispersion medium. And here I would like to talk about 2 things. One is called lyophilic sol. Other is called lyophobic sol. What are lyophilic sols? These have more affinity for the dispersion medium. These are stable. These do not coagulate easily. These are reversible. The best examples are rubber, gelatin, gum, etc. Coming to lyophobic sols, these have less affinity for the dispersion medium. These are irreversible. They coagulate very easily. They are unstable, and the best examples are metals and their sulfides. After this, coming to the next classification, the next classification is based on the nature of interaction by the particle size. And on the basis of particle size, I can divide them into 3 portions. One is called multimolecular, where the best examples are the gold sol and the sulfur SH sol. Then macromolecular colloids, where it can be divided into 2 portions. One are natural, that is, they involve starch, enzymes, proteins, cellulose, and the other are man-made, such as nylons, polythene, polystyrenes, rubbers, etc. And the last is associated colloids. In associated colloids, we talk of micelles, we talk of Kraft temperature, and we talk of CMC, that is critical micellar concentration. You have already read about micelles, their structure, and the cleansing properties of soaps in class 10. Coming to the next topic, that is the preparation of colloids. How do we prepare colloids? By 3 good methods. These are number 1, chemical methods. Number 2, electrical disintegration or Briggs-Arc method, and number 3 is peptization. What is peptization? The important thing here is about peptization. Peptization is the process of converting a freshly prepared precipitate into a colloidal sol with the help of a peptizing agent. So, this is all about peptization and peptizing agent. We now come to the purification of colloidal sols. How can they be purified? The purification process can be done by 3 methods. Number 1, by dialysis. Number 2, by electrodialysis, a modern version. And lastly, by ultrafiltration. Coming on to the properties of colloidal solutions, there are various properties of colloidal solutions. I have listed for you here. These are colligative properties, Tyndall effect, color, Brownian movement, charge on colloidal particles, electrophoresis, coagulation or precipitation. The important one here is on the charge on colloidal particle. Every colloidal particle has a charge. They may be either positive charge or they may be having a negative charge. The basic question arises, what is the cause for these charges? There may be 3 reasons for this. Number one reason is due to the electron capture by electrodispersion. Number 2 is the is the preferential adsorption of ions, and number 3 is the formation of electric double layer. Children, after this, I come to the new point, that is electrophoresis. What is electrophoresis? Movement of clouded particles under applied electric field is called electrophoresis. And lastly, about coagulation. When the colloidal solution settles down, we say it gets coagulated or precipitated. I stop here. I will continue with my next video. Thank you.